Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Intel, INTC, covering both the latest news and the chart data. Lip-Bu Tan's plan to revive Intel focuses on improving the foundry business and AI chips. Let's see if we can see that on the chart. Also, there are mixed analyst ratings, from hold to underperform, that we should look at too. The stock closed today, April 22nd, 2025, at 18.84. Let's look at the daily chart to understand the overall trend. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a significant downtrend since the start of 2024. The stock has declined from a high of around 48 to the current price in the $18 range. The overall trend is strongly bearish. Notice the big drop on August 2nd, 2024. That's something to look at closer to see what happened. Now, let's narrow down to the most recent candles on the daily chart. There appears to be an area of support around $18, but it's not a guarantee. Currently, short-term, Intel is slightly bouncing upwards, but still remains bearish long-term. Let's examine the hourly chart to see the short-term trading opportunities. On the hourly chart, we can see more detail of the recent price action. There's a slight uptrend, but it is choppy. This could signal some short-term bullish momentum, but with significant volatility. A key resistance level appears to be around $19. If price breaks this, the momentum can go higher. Finally, let's check the 15-minute chart to look at potential entry and exit points if we were trying to trade this today. On the 15-minute chart, we're seeing some consolidation around 18.8 to 18.9. A break above 19 could signal a short-term bullish opportunity, but be wary of resistance around 19.2 and 19.5. Conversely, a drop below 18.7 could signal a bearish opportunity. In summary, Intel faces mixed sentiments. The long-term trend is bearish, but recent news about AI focus and manufacturing could provide upside if the initiatives go well. In the short term, watch for key price levels, support around $18 and resistance near $19. If you're bullish, look for sustained breaks above 19. If you're bearish, look for drops below 18.7. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings reports and any further news regarding Intel's foundry business or AI initiatives. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.